Hey guys, you ever been working in your PDM vault and you try to install a PDM add-in and you get the message that Windows couldn't open the registry? Well, this Q-tip might be for you. So there's a couple of different cases that can cause that problem, and one of them is when you're trying to load a PDM add-in into your vault from a network folder. The reason why the archive server can't access these files is because it's trying to read the data across the network and it's not a mapped drive. And so one of the things that you'll find is if I go to load a new add-in, I select this path, which is where this file is, and then try to load those in. The error message is information can't be retrieved from add-ins on a network drive. And that tells you to copy them to a local hard disk and retry the operation. So let's do that. So it's just finishing up the copy operation. And now we have these on the local C disk under an add-ins folder that I just created. Let's try the operation again. Now whenever I select these files, now I'm getting another error message. The archive server could not open the Windows Registry. We recently created a blog that specifically dealt with this situation and some of the things that we found that actually work. And so the archive server can't open the Windows Registry is usually based on one of two things. And the first thing is that the add-in is blocked, or you're trying to pull the files across a network and the archive server can't read them. All right, so let's go take a look at what the blocking operation is. There will be a link to the blog in the comments. If I go to the local folder where the files are located and I right-click on the BOM ETL tool DLL and I go down to Properties, the first thing you'll notice is the file came from another computer, might be blocked to help protect this computer. The first thing you need to do is click on the unblock and then click Apply. But that's not just for this DLL. It's going to be for each of these, because if you download them from the internet, or let's say that you purchase one of our add-ins like this BOM ETL tool, which helps you to extract your bill of materials and then automatically copies it into your SQL server, then it will have come from our customer portal. Right click, go to Properties, and then Unblock, Apply, and then we'll do that same thing with the rest of the DLLs that are going to get used here. Now we've unblocked each one of these DLLs, we should be able to pull those files into the archive server as an add-in. So let's try the operation again. Right click on add-ins, click on new add-in. Copy that path over. Grab the 4 DLL files and then click open. This time we shouldn't get the error message, and we should see that the add-ins were loaded and that they should be ready to use. Once we click OK, because these add-ins were developed in .NET, you're going to see this standard caution message that just says that anytime that you load a .NET add-in, they can't be recached automatically. And so each of the client computers that are connected to your archive server will have to be rebooted. Again, these topics are all covered in the blog that's down in the link in the comments below. So take a look at that. Click OK here. And as soon as the add-in loads, you'll see it populate inside the tree. Then from there, you can use the add-in, like if in this case we go to Settings, BOM ETL tool, and then we will be able to use it. Hopefully today's Q-tip's been helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Remember to review the blog and believe in the Q.